Welcome back to Harvest Table TV. It's June, which means this month we're celebrating Pride. When we thought about what rainbow-inspired recipe could feature the freshest summertime seasonal ingredients, we decided to cook up a Vietnamese-style spring roll. This recipe uses fresh herbs and vegetables from our garden, plus it's super quick, interactive, and refreshing. Let's get started. There you have it, simple as that. Vietnamese style fresh spring roll. Feel free to. So I filmed this recipe yesterday. Woke up this morning, brewed a cup of coffee, sat down to edit the video and realized I left out a ton of great information that I had to share with you. First, I learned this recipe on my very first job as an executive chef, and I learned it from my sous chef. We joked about whether or not we could produce this for 400 people, and wouldn't you know, we've been producing it for every wedding, bar mitzvah, and special event ever since. Took this recipe when I was practicing my Pro Chef 2 and produced it for my healthy cuisine because it was a no-brainer. It's the perfect appetizer for any healthy meal. And then lastly, when I started practicing for Pro Chef 3, I got assigned authentic recipes from Vietnam. No-brainer again, and been producing it then. And it's a favorite in our family. So I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time on Harvest Table TV.